Special Judge Pokso Senapati sentences a man who raped and tried to murder a minor to life imprisonment along with a fine of 2 lakh rupees. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla calls for cultural intervention to bring emotional integration amid rising separatist movement. High Court of Manipur orders those concerned to produce witnesses and documents to prove their claim of unfair results of 2017 Manipur general election for Patso Assembly constituency. Forest and Environment Minister Thanojam Shamkumar declares to evict all illegal encroachers from wetland areas of the state. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham launches mega campaign on fuel conservation Saksham 2020 for Manipur at TRI in Chingmerong. And the National Sports University Manipur completes 2 years. Secretary Union Ministry of Home Affairs and Sports Radhe Shyam Dulania says efforts are on to provide state-of-the-art training facilities at the university. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Special Judge Pokso Senapati has sentenced a man who tried to murder a minor after raping her to life imprisonment along with a fine of 2 lakh rupees. The rapist is 52-year-old Ashin Elias Kashin, son of late Mangai Ngangba from Nungtek Karvang Muang village, part 2 under None Police Station in None district. Court of Special Judge Pokso Senapati A. Nutaneshwari also ordered to pay the victim a compensation amount of 6 lakh rupees under Manipur Victim Compensation Scheme. It may be mentioned that the minor victim was left unconscious in a bushy area on Viulan Colony Road in Senapati in 2017. Acting on a complaint filed by sister of the victim, police arrested Ashin, but he was bailed out on PR bond. Investigating officer of the case carried out necessary investigations and filed a charge sheet against Ashin in September 2017. The case has been underway since then. Senapati police re-arrested Ashin on July 11, 2019 from Tamenglong. After the court convicted Ashin in the final hearing on January 15 this year, he was produced before the court again today for sentence hearing. Defense counsel prayed for leniency in punishment, but the State Council Special Public Prosecutor pleaded to award stringent punishment to Ashin under Section 4 of the POCSO Act 2012 for committing penetrative sexual assault on a minor and under Section 326 of the Indian Penal Code. After listening to both the sides, Special Judge Pokso Senapati A. Nutaneshwari pronounced life imprisonment to the convict along with the fine.
This accused person, he has been absconding for 23 months and 10 days. The None police and the Senapati police, they have given their best effort. By God's grace, he was arrested on 11 July 2019. The girl child would not get justice, and he has been running away for more than nearly 2 years. It is clearly proof that he has committed the crime, and we can very well say that we should not give leniency in such a case. If leniency is given in this type of case, then obviously people will not trust the judiciary. The court has given the maximum sentence, Section 4 of the POCSO, which is life imprisonment. So for the remaining life, he should know, every right-thinking person should know that this type of crime should never be committed in a civilized society.
The court has given the verdict decision that justice has delivered to the girl. And we also thankful to the judicial court, and we also thank to judge for delivering the justice to the victim.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla inaugurated two-day dance drama festival today to mark the 44th Foundation Day of Productions Unit of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. Speaking at the event held at the auditorium of Jain Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah stressed on the need for cultural intervention programs to bring emotional integration amid the rising separatist movement in the nation. She called for the performing arts to become a doorway to bridge the people and the government. She expressed happiness that the Lone National Institute, which fosters Manipuri dance, established in 1954 under the initiative of the then Indian Prime Minister, late Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, not only preserves dance, music and dance dramas of the state, but also spreads the beauty of the state throughout the world. The governor expressed happiness that the 66-year-old academy has produced over 40 dance dramas. She also lauded the artists of the state for popularizing the state by performing arts across the globe. 100 years of Manipuri dance drama being included in Shantiniketan was also celebrated on the occasion. JNMDA Vice Chairman Professor H. Tombi, eminent gurus and artists of the state attended the ceremony. A dance drama titled Bidai Abhishap was showcased on the occasion.
When the separatist tendencies rise their head in various parts of India, we can check out an intensive program of mass cultural intervention with performing arts, acting, transmitting bridge between the government and the people. I am fully confident that the Academy's endeavor to keep production various dance dramas as well as new performing arts so that the Academy will be able to disseminate message of the people of the country as a whole for bringing peace and harmony in the society. I congratulate the artists of the Academy for their selfless contribution in the field of dance and music.
The High Court of Manipur has ordered to those concerned to produce witness and documents to prove their claim of unfair result of 2017 Manipur general election for Patso Assembly constituency. It may be mentioned that then NEIDP candidate S. Kunjakeshwar filed a petition at the Supreme Court claiming fallacies in the election result of the constituency. NEIDP sympathizer A. Oken said that they are all set to produce necessary evidences to the court on January 24 to prove that malpractices were done during the election counting. Speaking to media at S. Kunjakeshwar's residence in Tera today, A. Oken expressed firm belief that the High Court's order issued on January 14 will bring justice. He said the election RO first announced that S. Kunjakeshwar has won the election, but later announced in a suspicious manner that A.K. Mirabai has won with a margin of 114 votes. Oken said a petition claiming malpractice in the election counting was filed at the High Court of Manipur in April of 2017, but due to the High Court's failure to come to a verdict, the petition was again filed at the Supreme Court in 2018. He said, as per the Supreme Court's order, the High Court of Manipur has asked to submit the witness and necessary documents.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯦꯟꯅꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯔꯥꯟ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯀꯦꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯀꯪꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤ MLAꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯇꯪ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯔꯥꯟꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯜꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ.
Forest and Environment Minister Thonojam Shyamkumar has warned to evict all illegal encroachers on wetlands of the state with authorization from the court. He was speaking on the sidelines of releasing of calendar of Environment and Climate Change Directorate 2020 at his chamber in New Secretariat today. The minister said preserving the wetlands of the state is a must in the wake of drastic climatic change in the world. He condemns that some officials had provided land ownership to people without the consent of the government. Minister Shyam Kumar warns that the directorate is looking into the matter. He added that the 2020 calendar shows all the achievements of the directorate in 2019. Director of Environment and Climate Change Directorate Dr. Y. Nabachandram, Deputy Director Dr. T. Brajakumar, T.H. Bogen, P.H. Vivekananda and other officials attended the event.
Kuna pata si piba kanda state land my khaslen na mayam sile wetland mayam adagi sing lei ba pat ki lei ba tureng lei mayam si koi matam dugi mi sing na koi madu importance amadi madu value du khangdana map ta yinga ga maksi magi mari mata sang thira kanda koi pata si piramba na department madu kanjab tawnam hona rakpada mathuan hona rakpada onaman court ki intervention lakwa yam kumna khandare record mayam du jama madi mayam collection tawri fill rai report lawri adu onaban court koi AG gi through da sangma yinga dana Mohoksa laimina piramba part ching tore lek myam se kanno ki damot ko one time da koi simdi jama badi ma cancel to biu na athu matam da koi appeal ma oneman high court salani oneman high court ki order ki matungina thabak tu koi yam athu na pahalani.
CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has called for putting earnest efforts to conserve petroleum products. He was speaking at the launch of the month-long mega campaign on fuel conservation Saksham 2020 for Manipur at TRI in Chingmairong today. Petroleum Conservation Research Association (PCRA), in collaboration with various gas and oil companies of Manipur, organized the launching event under the aegis of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Minister Karam Sham stressed on the need for frugal use of petroleum products and to raise awareness on how to conserve fuels. Many activities, including painting competitions for students, will be held during the month-long campaign, which will continue till February 15.
Energy consumptor is oil 56% gumba, thao dana 30% oiba, gas 6% gumba, adu others 8% laiba. Aduna koi sei angkai ki matungda petrol se boju sinari ko mong sinar gati petroli oina sungchoi dana loichal gas around 54 years gumba aduga koila sina koi 100 years gumba saningai laiba. Akoi ki laijariba akoi type of miyoi bana sina gadori boat sing se Fazana ligna sinarga yam thuna loyna bo potu loyhandana sinna bo ngamnana baneba akoina angang sinda gyan tahanna ba bharat ku mada silineba bharat sarkar.
All Tribal Labour Association Moray has warned of intense agitations, including blockade on Imphal Moray Road if the ban imposed on ferrying of sands from Moray is not lifted at the earliest. Speaking to media at the association's office in Moray today, association advisor Thangza Mang Shimte said that the association withdrew the economic blockade imposed on the highway in October last year after the government assured to fulfill their demand. Warning of fresh ban on Imphal Moray Road, he urged the government to lift the ban on transportation of sands, considering the plights facing the distraught labourers at the earliest.
Ikoi lengoi sinmegi asu yamna waraba matam sifawbada government na karisu yengsin bi daba government na matam khara athubai matam da karigumba yengsin bi daba natraga yanangai honna bi darba masi oiba tara lakba tarabadi association tarap tagi akan ba ban chathagani haibasi ikoi ge tribal association tarap tagi akan ba warep ni.
Senapati District Truck Owners Association, along with Senapati District Truck Drivers Union and Senapati District Drivers Welfare Union, have imposed indefinite economic blockade on Imphal Dimapur Road starting this midnight against the state government's failure to terminate the accused Manipur Police ASI who assaulted and threatened a truck driver at gunpoint in Kangpokpi Bazaar on January 14. The three organizations made the declaration during a media interaction held in Senapati today. They further warned of total blockade if the authorities concerned fail to pay heed to their demands within 48 hours. Social Welfare Department Director Ngangom Uttam has espoused sponsorship and adoption so that no child will remain orphaned in the state. He was speaking at the 3-day induction training of Child Welfare Committee members and chairpersons today. Social Welfare Department and Manipur Judicial Academy jointly organized a program at Tribal Research Institute in Chingmairong. Stating that 40% of the country's population are children, Director Ngangom Uttam stressed on the need to take appropriate measures to address their issues. He urged the Child Welfare Committee to take active role in identifying responsible childless parents who want to adopt children and to approach generous individuals for private sponsorship for the welfare of orphans in the state. He appeals to second-degree relatives of orphans to be receptive to adoption. The director stressed on the need for proper training of child welfare police officers so that they can handle child-related cases appropriately. He also urged members and chairpersons of Child Welfare Committee to spare at least one day in a month to share their experiences on child-related cases. Ngangom Uttam assured that the department will extend necessary help for the same. Lecturer of Manipur Judicial Academy N. Brajakanta and many experts spoke on rights and issues of children at the event.
World laiba train jisu institutionalization ngasai children home da thamba siga yum da magi family naknaba mi da thamba sponsorship thamba adoption da pi basiga yengna rakpa matam da institute da children home da thamba si ayamba cases da harmful oi masi tokadaw bani haina UN resolution bawda mamang tha da logi ba leire angang gi birthday la e haina children home da donate tawre adu tawre ada tawre akhina mayam tari adu gi mahutta chahi amada amukhak celebrate tawbagi mahutta angang ha thagi lising amamam lising ani pibiraga lairik taman targadi adudagi hena chawba mahije karino sponsorship adoption the mai onzalaga mama mapa laitaba angang amata lehengumsi magi asengba mama mapa laigidraga su atopa anauba mama mapa ama phangalaga anauba punsi ma anauba family ama phanganaba aikoi punna honaminaji.
Coordinating Body of Trade Unions Manipur in a press release has asked the state government why it is silent on the recent FCI laborers issues. Now with that, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on launching of news portal, the Northeast Affairs. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit today launched a news portal called the Northeast Affairs. Speaking at the launching event held at Manipur Press Club in Majorkul, Minister Biswajit said people around the world will now get a glimpse of the happenings in the state through the news portal. He appeals to publish only authentic news items. He also called upon to practice constructive criticism to bring development in the state. Ex-MP Dr. T. Maina, Amju President Bijoy Kakchingtabam, President of Editors Guild Manipur Kogendra Kumdram, and many eminent persons attended the event.
अकोई मणिपुरी दा सोसाइटी दे लेरिबा प्रजा म्याम अकोई अमखक अपील तौजगे अकोई क्रिटिसाइज तौबा क्रिटिसिज्म मजे अकोई याम दरकार ले अदु अकोई सोसाइटीज ददी अकोई लेरिबा से मुक हाजन बहायगा दरकारी हाजन बहायगा दे अकोई क्रिटिसाइज नेगेटिविटी से वांगन जितना मसी पोसे कोई सोशल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लाएबा अदु सोशल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लाइफ से क्राइम कमिट तौरेबा सिना कस्टमाइज अकोई लेरिबा हेन फगदब पोरम द जकिदब दो हेन फतबगी पोरम ओरे पोसे मसी तहन गुमजी हाबसे मा प्रजा दा थमजगने मसीमा करिगुम सरकार ना पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम ने ना अम पुथोरे पोसे फरम या फरमदब तौगदब सरकार के पॉलिसी अमने हाइदन पुथोरे मदुगी पोर्टुबो अखोने थीने चाहिबगी बहुता माना पुथोरे प्रोग्राम दो मयाम ना पामिबदो सीन हेन फगदब माले हाइब सजेस्टिव ओइब पोर्ट क्रिटिसाइज तौरगदी मदु सरकार ना जुलौगनी पाबिकी वाटार कांदा अफब सेमतुनबगी मचाग अम ओय.
Week-long national-level workshop on research methodology of social sciences and humanities kicked off at NG College in Lamphel today. Speaking on the occasion, Joint Director of the University and Higher Education Department, L. Iboyaima, called upon teachers to be research-oriented and to focus on interdisciplinary research work to produce good students. NG College Research Forum and Directorate of University and Higher Education jointly organized the workshop.
I request all the teachers, especially the younger generation teachers, to do more research on the field of your own specialization or certain other areas also. And I would like to approach the teachers to do interdisciplinary research system so that we could use our brain for the betterment of tomorrow's society.
As part of security measures being taken in the state ahead of the Republic Day celebration, Imphal East District Commando team carried out search operations at Lamlong Market today. Imphal East Commando DSP KH Herojit, Commando OC TH Pulchan and Commando OC in charge Rajiv Khan led the team under the supervision of Imphal East Additional SP Operations TH Krishna Tombi and carried out the drive from 3:42 p.m. till 4:22 p.m. They verified altogether 115 people and picked up 7 people without proper identification proofs for further verification at Porampat Police Station. A team of Thoubal District Commando also carried out door-to-door search operation at Salungpham Mayai Lekai in Thoubal District today. The team led by Thoubal Additional SP Operations Soibam Sachidananda, including women personnel and personnel of Hairok Police Station, carried out the drive from 4:45 a.m. till 6:45 a.m. The team verified altogether 300 people from 120 households and picked up 3 people without proper identification proof for further verification at Hairok Police Station. A team of Thoubal District Police Commando has arrested a man with 1 Alto car without proper documents, suspected to be utilized in smuggling drugs. The arrested person is 32-year-old MD Rashid Ali, son of MD Khairuddin from Moijing Awang Lekai. The team arrested them at around 12:30 p.m. yesterday. Acting on MD Rashid Ali's confessions, the team further arrested his 35-year-old elder brother, MD Abbas Ahmad, alias Masattana, 28-year-old MD Imran Khan, MD Imran, son of MD Ziauddin from Lilong Lehau Khong Leinung Hotel, and 139-year-old MD Firoz Khan, son of MD Azizur Rahman from Yaripok Kekru Makhalekai, who were all reported to be involved in various illegal activities like vehicle theft and smuggling of chemicals used in manufacturing heroin number 4. The commando team also recovered various chemicals used in manufacturing brown sugar from 1 MD Abbas Ahmad of Tangjeng and 1 MD Firoz Khan from Yaripok Lamkhai. Thoubal police has registered a case against him. A team of narcotics cell Imphal East has nabbed a woman in possession of various contraband drugs from Khergaon area in Imphal East district. The team, under the supervision of Imphal East Additional SP Operations TH Krishna Tombi, seized 1,500 WY tablets and 22 grams of heroin number 4 from the woman who was trying to flee from the patrolling team at around 2:15 p.m. yesterday. The arrested woman is 20-year-old Sabita Elias Ibem, daughter of MD Zabar from Khergaon. The team has handed over the miscreant along with the seized drugs to Porampat Police Station. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has stressed on the need for peace to bring change and development in a society. He was speaking at the 52nd Pongal Celebration 2020 at Sunrise Playground in Moretown yesterday. Minister Biswajit assured that the state is progressing with no bunds and blockades. He also urged people not to be apprehensive about the ILP system. Speaking at the event, Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Letpao Haukip said that Moretown is like a mini India inhabited by various communities. He wished that Pongal festival will bring unity among communities residing in the town. Technopol DC District SP 43rd Assam Rifles CO, representatives of civil society organizations and many people attended the event, highlighted by traditional performances by various communities. A short film by Public Health Engineering Department PHED Imphal East named Aikhoigi Khungang was released at Haraurau yesterday. The short film, directed by Orbit, focuses mainly on rural water scheme, community sanitation, importance of a clean and healthy environment, and on the roles of village committee on proper utilization of water resources. Speaking on the occasion, Executive Engineer of PHED Imphal East Rameshwar said that the film aimed to raise awareness on initiatives taken by the residents of Harauro village in maintaining a clean and healthy environment and on the crucial role of the public in bringing success to the department's initiatives. He disclosed that PHED will also produce a film based on Luangsangbam Matai village of Imphal East in the near future. Zilla Parishad member of Kundrakpam Gram Panchayat Thangjam Angobi, Pradhan of Harauro Tangkam GP, Leshang Tem Kulachandra, Pradhan of Kundrakpam GP A. Ibocho, Pradhan of Waiton GP, P. Surbala, and many people took part in the event.
Laikai khudingmak siuma matau si tamaga koi Manipur da lairiba nagarik khudingmak na masa masagi yumda ising tanaba honabagi responsible daita se sarkar khakta department khakta tainabi dana ngasi harauro khungangi gi village committee na lauriba role committee si thawai haksang yauna haitare kaidang soiba da department da lakpa department ga tanar ga dum tawba toilet saraga so moina masana moida dum piba awara leraga sutana bidana khoigi yamna thobada Manipur pumada sigumba system ji leinanaba adui wakhalon da hairiba film si putokseba.
A library and one Takkel Thangta Academy dedicated to Major Chongthamia have been inaugurated at Kamal Ghat Shantipara Manipuri Para in Agartala, Tripura to mark the 112th death anniversary of Major Chongthamia. Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 Martyrs and Freedom Fighters Kanglei Park, Manipur jointly organized the event. Tripura Tengnong Bamutia Constituency MLA Krishna Das, President of World Thangta Federation H. Prem Kumar, and Vice Chairman of Justice Committee 1891 K.H. Chinkai Luang, representatives of Manipur CSOs, members of various women associations and students organizations, and people of the area attended the event. Cultural programs of Manipur, including Thangta performances, were showcased in the event. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Krishna Das assured that he will urge the Tripura government to popularize the Chongthamia Memorial Library. He also assured to strive for opening other Thangta academies in Tripura, especially in the West District, to promote the Thangta art form of Manipur. Free eye screening cum cataract surgery camp was held at Popular Youth Club in Kangabok Part 3, Thawal District today. Popular Youth Club, along with Rising Union Club and Village Development Committee, organized a camp where nearly 200 people were checked up, out of which 20 individuals were diagnosed with cataracts. They will undergo surgery at Shiza Hospital in Langol tomorrow. An assessment camp for persons with intellectual disabilities will be held in March under National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, Secunderabad, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. Interested candidates are requested to submit Aadhaar card, photo and disability certificate at Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur. For further details, please contact 7005 414 609, 94474 266 471, 8575 555 703, and 8974 356 379. Now the sports news. Second Foundation Day of National Sports University Manipur was celebrated at Kumanlapak Sports Complex today. Speaking at the event, a Secretary of Indian Ministry of Home Affairs and Sports, Radhe Shyam Julania, assured that efforts are on to provide state-of-the-art training facilities at the university. Speaking further at the event held on the theme Through tireless effort and knowledge towards excellence, Radhe Shyam Julania said that ongoing construction of the National Sports University at Kautruk is being carried out smoothly under National Buildings Construction Corporation Limited. Stating that there is lack of adequate faculty in the university, he assured to tie up with well-established universities of other states to enhance the Imphal campus. Vice Chancellor of National Sports University R.C. Mishra, Dronacharya Awadi, Eli Bomcha and many international level players of the state took part in the event. Many sportspersons were also felicitated on the occasion.
This is itself a full-fledged university. The only thing we need is faculty. If we put in the faculty and bring in a framework, then this is the best university which can come up very fast. But nonetheless, there are local demands, compulsions, necessities, and now we are committed to have a very good campus. National Building Construction Corporation, NBCC, who has taken over on my request, and the chairman of the NBCC on my personal request, to take over the responsibility for construction and developing the sports complex. They hired the best architect firm. I must compliment you. You've done a commendable work, very cost effective, very aesthetic, and very efficient.
UBFC Markulian and Sunrise Club Kadamtala ended 3-3 draw in the quarter-final match of the first Morangtem Jodish Chandra Memorial Invitation Football Tournament 2020. 16 football teams are competing in the tournament organized by All Ziribam Sports Association at Ziribam Higher Secondary School playground since January 3. JBFC Kilgul will play against Ziri Police tomorrow. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Special Judge Pokso Senapati sentences a man who raped and tried to murder a minor to life imprisonment along with a fine of 2 lakh rupees. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah calls for cultural intervention to bring emotional integration amid rising separatist movement. High Court of Manipur orders those concerned to produce witnesses and documents to prove their claim of unfair results of 2017 Manipur general election for Patso Assembly constituency. Forest and Environment Minister Thanojam Shamkumar declares to evict all illegal encroachers from wetland areas of the state. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham launches mega campaign on fuel conservation Saksham 2020 for Manipur at TRI in Chingmerong. And the National Sports University Manipur completes 2 years. Secretary Union Ministry of Home Affairs and Sports Radhe Shyam Dulania says efforts are on to provide state-of-the-art training facilities at the university.